So I've been gatekeeping this secret from you guys for a very long time because I'm waiting for this day when we can launch our scalp Dermaroller. So finally it's out in the open. Now you want to use it on freshly washed hair. So much better to work on a clean scalp because you want the product to penetrate at its best. So if there's any dead skin or product buildup in the way, then it won't penetrate. You want to make sure you use like a scalp treatment. So I use our Scalp Renew first just to exfoliate any dead skin cells. And so it's super easy to use. What you want to do is start in parting and then you're just going to roll down towards you like that. Do that twice and then back and forth like that. So you want to put enough pressure that you feel it, but not too much that it feels painful. It shouldn't feel painful, just like that. You can try this on your hand if you want to try it first, just to make sure. You know, you can practice the pressure that you're doing there. So much easier to do that because you want to go slow. So then once you've done that, you are going to apply the stem cell serum. And you just do 1, 2, 3 drops like that. And massage that in. I do this, you know, weekly, sometimes twice a week if I'm being good. And so last, because I fell victim to the 90s eyebrows and I've been growing mine for about 20 years, I'll go over my eyebrow as well. And just lightly do that. And then just a little drop. Just go in there like that. And once you finish with your Dermaroller, you want to get a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just in a small glass like that. You want to clean it in that. Leave this somewhere to dry in a sterile place and then it's ready to go the next time you want to use it. And that's it. And so just watch your hair grow.